Oh, what gun are you working on?
Oh, the TMG, or not the TMG, the MCG.
I thought I heard a mini chain gun spin up.
Yeah. 14 more kills until I have the gold star, and then I can put it away for a little bit.
Oh, so okay.
Yeah, I just need to finish this
Do
directive
you have a
tier.
bird?
Yeah, I have a bird.
Okay. Well, you've already, looks like we got a boss up at Epsilon.
There's... Alright. Let's see if I can't kill this Vanguard with my striker. Dang it. He bail out? Yeah, he did. I don't think so, homie.
Well, let's gather some ammo. We're on point and they're on point, so things are already getting interesting.
I like it when things are interesting. This will be interesting. Okay, Monk. Just a sec here. He's still in the channel, right?
No.
Oh. I thought he was just muted.
No, he doesn't talk. But he's not in the channel right now.
Okay.
Shit.
There are times when I like this MCG, but most of the time I don't.
Every now and then it's just amazing.
Like when I see a cluster of medics, there's the free kills. Just they're just reviving each other.
Yes, it is extremely efficient at killing groups of retards. Extremely efficient at that.
Yeah.
That's a good nade. I'm done at this base. It is overrun.
Yeah, I'm gonna leave too.
Facility is ours.
There's like nobody but TR on the continent, that's why.
Yeah.
Who was
You got
complaining
the
about
base
me
cap.
about liking the old outfit decal better?
What's that?
Somebody